Everyone's heard about cola's so-called corrosive qualities. Time to test the myths with 2 pennies and some teeth. And one more. Can cola dissolve a T-bone steak? In this test, the cola will be compared to pure phosphoric acid, an active ingredient in cola that gives the drink its sharp taste. Most food contains naturally occurring acid, much of it stronger than phosphoric. So how will the cola react with the chosen test items?
That looks yummy.
Now that's a marinade. I'll have to try it. And you know what? It might actually be really, really tasty.
Yeah.
Jamie, I think we've got something really important here. I notice that the steak tends to float in the acid, but not the cola.
That's amazing. I would have guessed the other way around.
Penny, cola. Penny, phosphoric acid. Tooth, phosphoric acid. Tooth, cola.
The teeth and the pennies will soak for 24 hours. The steak will stay for 48. We'll be back later for the cola results.
All right, let's get that penny out of there.
Back at the lab for the cola soak test. What happened to the teeth, pennies, and the T-bone steak?
Well, I see something interesting here, Jamie. I know for a fact when I looked at it that this penny, which was in the cola, this is the side that was down, and there was an air bubble right here. So we can see where there was air, it didn't clean, but where there was cola, it did.
Wow, that's neat.
Clearly see the difference that it actually did brighten up this penny.
The cola did a better job than the phosphoric acid did.
Yeah, I'd say it did a much better job, actually. I mean, it doesn't look like the phosphoric did very much at all.
That surprises me.
Well, you know, to me, it looks like the myth's true. The cola cleaned this penny really well.
Now the teeth. Will they still be there after an overnight soaking?
I still hear it rattling around in there.
Well, it made it a yucky brown.
Ugh. That's just disgusting. That's one sat in the phosphoric acid and did effectively nothing to it.
Actually, Adam, there's a lot less of that other tooth than there was to begin with.
Really?
Yeah, it ate maybe half of it away.
Wow, no, I didn't have any idea about that.
Looks nice and white in comparison, but it's mostly gone. I don't think I'd want to put either of them in my mouth based on that.
Yeah, in a 24-hour period, I'd say cola could never dissolve a tooth.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's busted.
Yep.
Okay.
What's next?
So this is the myth that cola will dissolve a steak in 48 hours?
Well, it's done something in 48 hours.
Oh, man. I mean, we've given it a little bit longer than that. And you've put the steak in just phosphoric acid.
Ooh, did you see that?
Yeah, this kind of fell apart.
It's totally breaking it down.
Ooh.
It's funny, it didn't look like it did anything to it, but it did.
Ugh. This is the cola steak with our fine glaze of mold. Well, there's nothing remotely dissolved about it. I'm trying to speak through my mouth so I don't have to smell this. Psh.
It doesn't smell bad at all. It smells kind of good. It might have tenderized it a little bit, but it, you know, because I don't know that I could do that with that if it was fresh.
Yeah.
And I don't smell anything bad at all. It smells okay. It smells like food.
Nah, I wouldn't eat it.
I wouldn't either, but...
Ah, so, after all your talk, you wouldn't eat it.
It's true.
So
the myth busted.
Myth busted. Cola did nothing to a steak.
Yeah.